Hello and welcome back to Ben Rubik's Adventures. Today we're going to be doing a custom map from the Minecraft forums, and it is about Natchster on Toten in Call of Duty fight zombies. And you can buy perks, you can buy weapons, there are other, you can open doors and stuff. It's pretty cool. You guys check it out in the description. Enjoy 15 minutes of gameplay. See you. Alright, let's try it for the third time. I'll try and buy some wood. Come on. Come on, give it to me! No! No, cave spiders! I restarted it and didn't restart cave spiders. Should have done that! Ah! Whatever the door. Try and buy this regeneration potion. Come on. Alright, so I'm just gonna keep buying this. Come on. Give me heaps. Give me all of that! No! Oh my gosh. Oh, I'll try and do enchant this. No! Get out! That. Sharpness. Awesome. I guess it can eat. Ah! Screw spider. I can just one-shot spiders now. That's what. Look at that. This is really stressing me out. Oh no! Give me it back. Here's spiders. Yeah. Drop this sweet. Let's go outside. I don't know why, but I'm just going outside. Come back! Was that TNT? Totally good. Oh, let's just keep going. Oh, he dropped a potato, man. I want a potato. I need to eat. Give me that potato. Iron bars. Oh, that did nothing. Oh, come on. I'm trying to buy this TNT. 20 TNT. Damn. How do I ignite it? I can't. Unless I... Whoa! Unless I put it next to the fire. Ignite! Damn it! Did it ignite? I don't think it's going to ignite. I don't know what the point of that is. Back me into a tree. Maybe I can just use it to turn and build myself in a corner. Oh, if I build myself in a corner I can't get out anyway. Adventure mode. Oh crap. Let's build a wall over here. Oh, hopefully I can't get through that. Let's see what's out here. What's this? Let's build a wall here. No! Get spider! Get away from me! Oh. Good to eat. Come on, die. I'm nearly out of jug. Regeneration potion, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Spiders can still get past that. Just need to eat. Break. Alright. Okay. Regen. I'm saving this regeneration potion. I need it. I'm just gonna sprint. Oh look, a barricade. Patch up the wall, spiders. Despite nothing can get me except for zombies. I can smash down doors, but they're a bit derpy. Alright, I'll just sit in here for a bit, heal up. Actually, I need more regeneration potion. Pretty badly too. Dead! Ah. Oh! There's lots of them now. I'm actually doing pretty good now. Alright. Come back in here. Damn it! I keep dropping it! This is really bad. Just get me out of there. I still do need food though. Oh sweet, this is actually pretty bad. Don't need to enchant. Why is there a carpenter? What would I do with that? Anyway. So it's just... Oh sweet. Thanks. Let's close this door. Fail. More TNT. Oh no! Oh my gosh, I freaking hate the cave spiders. Oh, I hate them so much. Oh no! There's lots of them. How am I supposed to get past all this fire and crap? What flesh? Can I hit it? No, I can't hit it. Ah, no, this could be the end. Damn it, cave spider. There's nothing else here. No, no. There you can help, cave spider. Test me. Test me. Alright, I might need a new sword. Okay, it's glitched. Maybe I can get a really good enchantment. 7. Enchantment's too boss. Ah, yeah, one-shotting these spiders. What happened to my door? Why did it close? Oh crap, there's a chest over here. Ah! Generation clock. No! Hey! Oh no, I'm about to die. Oh, that was really close. That was really close. I'm so paranoid about that. Alright, cobweb. Oh, that could come in handy, I suppose. Good idea. Patch up these windows with cobweb. So I'm wondering, like, it says bucket of water here, but I don't know what that's about. Okay. Oh no! Found the hit music. Oh god damn it! Squirtle! So annoying! Genuinely so annoying. Need more regeneration. Oh no, here comes something. Need the flesh. No! Second time, lucky. And freaked me out. Alright, I need to buy some more of this. Is it even getting me anymore? I'm not getting any. This is bad. I've got no regeneration potion left. I'm gonna die. Zombies! Damn it! One more! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Ah! I just have to. Alright, let's see what else is, if there's anything else. Up here. No, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done for. I'm half a heart. One hit away, dying. I have no okay, let's just go to trade mode here. It's just ridiculous. So you can obviously see why the cave spiders are just so retarded. Let's see what see what this flint and steel TNT would have done if I actually lit on fire. Oh, come on, no. Oh, it's just a void. What is that? What the hell? Is this glitching out or am I being trolled? What? This is a bad mineshaft. What the frick? Holy crap! This must be like... What the hell's going on with the water? What the... Bedrock down there. This is mad. Now I know the layout of better mine shafts. I can. Holy crap! It keeps going. This is massive. Wow. Well, you also got to see the layout of better mine shafts too. Guess that's pretty cool. What's all this green stuff? Oh, it must be wiring. Oh no. Yeah, it's all like... Oh, minecarts! Pretty cool. The regeneration dispenser or chest must have ran out of potion to give me. But yeah, there's a cave spawner here and here. I reckon I would have survived if I just stayed in my little barricade here. Definitely. But that would have been cheating and I needed more potion anyway. Oh, these would have been mad! Can't buy them, I don't need petrol. Fair enough. Still not. Still not looking at it. Oh crap, bruh! What was this? Strength, yeah, I might have done. I could have done with that, I suppose. No, it doesn't really matter. So there's ender pearls. That would have been pretty cool. I would have just teleported across the map. That would have been mad. There's an animation for these guys too. See that? They like punch you in your face. That's pretty cool. But that pretty much ends this video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the Natural Totem map. Sorry I didn't get to explore much of it. Oh, it's pretty hectic. Pretty damn hectic. Is there anything in these furnaces? I don't think so. I really don't think so. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. So see you next time on BenRuby's Adventures, and subscribe or like the video, whatever. See you.